Hey there, feeling stressed out that other people are making money through stock market but you are not able to make it. Your money is lying there only. Believe me guys, everybody goes through the journey. Only one person are able to make money through the stock market. And who are this one person? This one person are the successful investor. Now watch this video till end because I'm going to tell you what is the difference between a successful investor and an unsuccessful investor and how you can be there in that 1% successful investor so that you can achieve your goals over the time. Hi, this is Tapan Doshi, a chartered accountant and a sebi registered research analyst. Based on my 15 plus years of experience in stock market, I'm going to unveil thoughtful investor framework in our next workshop whose fees normally is rupees 1500, but this time I'm going to give you at rupees 51 only. So do attend this session without fail because this session will tell you a step by step process how you can achieve your goals and how you can be a successful investor in the stock market. So what are the things you are going to learn in this? In this you are going to learn three secrets. The first secret is how to structure your portfolio. Yes, you heard it right, because portfolio normally most of the retail investors neglect, but this is the vehicle through which you are going to achieve your goals. The second secret is how to select a multi-bagger stock. Step by step process how to select a stock. Again, I am going to talk about entry, addition and exit from the stock because this is one of the most burning question of most of the investors. So I'm going to address that also. In the third secret, I'm going to talk about how to control your mindset. Emotion plays a big role in this market. So how to control it so that even in up and down, you are able to perform well. These three secrets has helped thousands of our members to get great portfolio and they are able to achieve your goals over the time. So what you are waiting for? Just click the below link, attend that session without fail. And guys, this ad you may not see it again, so without fail click the link and do attend the session, and I'm going to see you there.